Unit 3. Asking for assistance. Stopping someone.
Excuse me. I've just arrived here, and I've been waiting at the baggage carousel for my suitcase. I think it's lost.
Okay, sir. Don't worry about it. I'm sure we can find it. What flight were you on?
Flight number MA201 from Bangkok.
Yes, your bag should be on Carousel 8.
Well, this is where I've been waiting, and it's not here.
What does your bag look like? Can you give me a description?
Well, it's green.
Does it have your name on it?
Yes, I wrote my name on the label. It's Martin Andrew White.
I'll just make a quick call to see if I can find it. Hello, Central? Yes. Code 17. Martin Andrew White. Yes. Sir, your bag is being held by customs. You can pick it up there.
Is there a problem?
I'm sure it's nothing to worry about. They will explain it to you at the customs hall. Just follow this corridor on your left.
Okay. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. What flight were you on? What does your bag look like? Can you give me a description? Does it have your name on it?
Yes, I wrote my name on the label.
Sir, your bag is being held by customs.
Is there a problem?
Customs.
Excuse me. My suitcase is missing, and I was told I could collect it here.
Can you identify which bag is yours?
Yes, it's this green one here.
What is your name?
My name is Martin Andrew White.
Okay. This is your bag?
Yes, of course. Is there a problem, officer?
It's just that our sniffer dog has smelt something in your bag. I'm afraid I'll have to ask you to open it for me.
Yes, of course. You're welcome to have a look.
Thank you. Ah, this is what our sniffer dog found. I'm afraid you're carrying a packet of biscuits, and the packet is split.
Oh, I forgot about those. They must have been broken during the flight.
Well, I can't see anything else, so you're free to go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Can you identify which bag is yours?
Is there a problem, officer?
I'm afraid I'll have to ask you to open it for me.
Yes, of course. You're welcome to have a look.
I can't see anything else, so you're free to go.
Information desk.
You're welcome.
Excuse me. I'm trying to get to the city center. Where do I catch the bus?
Oh, you can catch the bus just right outside. You go through the exit doors, take a left, and the bus stop should be right in front of you.
Okay, thank you.
And where are you going?
I'm staying at the Four Seasons Hotel.
Oh, that's near the harbor, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Well, in that case, you'll want to get a number 63. It's a blue bus, and it leaves from bus station number 2.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your visit. Good day.
Good day. I'm trying to get to the city center. Where do I catch the bus?
You can catch the bus just right outside. Where are you going? I hope you enjoy your visit. Good day.